groups, you will receive a paper, a piece of paper here. You need to write your group name here. If you cannot think of a group name, you can just write the names of all your friends here. Okay? And then write your class. Now, here you will see, look, let's read the instructions together. It says, Activity 1, Order of Objects. Paste 5 animals in any position that your group likes. Now, there are 5 rectangles here. Okay, 5 spaces here. Here, there is a word that says left. Okay, you see my hand, I put up left. L for left. Later. And this is on the right. Now, each group, you'll be given some animals here. I have 10 of these animals. There's rabbit, monkey, tiger, sheep, snake, horse, cow, dog, dragon, and rooster. Now, you will discuss with your group to choose just 5 animals, only 5, and after that, I want you to paste them into the rectangle space here. For example, I have picked the cow, the dog, the dragon, the monkey, and the rooster. I will use my glue stick and paste these animals onto the rectangle space. Then, after that, I will wait for the next instruction. Can you understand what I'm saying? Yes. Okay, good. Now, because there are 10 animals, you will have 5 animals left. The group leader, you need to make sure you are holding on to these 5 animals because you will be using them again later. Is that clear? Yes. Yes, okay, very good.